Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Audi S4 Premium Plus. Just have the LED headlights, which don't really flicker to the human eye, it's just my camera's refresh rate. As you can see, this V6 is a whole lot of engine to fit in there. Audi's got a big old heavy hood on this thing. It does have alloy wheels that are painted black. It also has a sunroof. Let me go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It has a quilted black leather interior. Gorgeous seats. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. There are those seats. They're absolutely amazing. Super comfortable. And there is your driver interface right there. You see down here in the bottom corner, you're 4,240 feet elevation. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and power it off so you can see the starting sequence. You see that it has 8,290 miles on it. Okay. You also see that it has paddle shifters as well. There's your push to talk and your
route guidance is not active.
Voice activated navigation. Okay, we can come up here and move this along so that we can see your stereo and all that kind of great stuff. You can also look at your fluid levels. Okay, you come over here to the radio. You can control it down here. Okay, so there's our radio. Your sources are AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and Bluetooth. Okay, I'm going to go to the navigation map. There we go. Okay, and then if you wanted to connect to your audio player, there's that. Okay, so if you wanted to see the backup camera, just go ahead and put it in reverse. There it is with the guides, and it'll also warn you as various objects get close to you. There is a vehicle right there that is causing this right here to let us know that we shouldn't go forward and make an impact with that vehicle. Okay, coming down here, here's your shifter. Here's your park, reverse, neutral, park, drive. Also, here's the volume, and I guess you would call that the channel changer to scroll up and down the radio. Let's see, and then right here you have your armrest, your phone charger, and your key fob. Coming up here, you have your map light, and also you've got your sunroof. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front, which we were able to get it all patched up as it was just cosmetic. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.